Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we will be discussing about the word meanings of that is phobia. That means it is fear. Whatever the with the suffix of words, that means the fear of whatever the word has been given. As we can see, ablutophobia, that is washing or bathing or cleaning. Who has got the symptoms of fear of washing, bathing or cleaning? As you can see to the right of this slide, how that small boy is has the fear of washing or bathing. Next we have acarophobia. Here acarophobia means itching or of the insects that cause itching. Whatever the insects with the insects, whatever the itching will happen, that fear is acarophobia. Next we have fear of the darkness is acleophobia. So whoever is feared with the darkness. Fear with the heights or high places, that is known as altophobia as well as acrophobia. Both are same, that is fear of heights. The fear of air and draughts, that is aerophobia. Aero means air. So that is aerophobia, fear of air as well as draughts. The fear of cats, that is agoraphobia, who has got the problem with the cats. And the fear of speech, that is ailerophobia, who has got fear in speaking. And we have the fear of the dust, that is amathophobia, who has got the dust allergy, they have this type of amathophobia. Next we have ambulophobia. It means the fear of walking. Whoever has got the problem in walking, that is ambulophobia. Next we have anablyophobia. That means fear of looking up at high places. Once you reach to the high places and start looking from that place, that is little bit fear. That is known as anablyophobia. Fear of men, that is androphobia, who has fear with the men. And fear of English culture, England and English people, that is anglophobia. So please remember, phobia means fear. Here whatever the keywords, what choose the options and directly put the answers as per the given options. Fear of flowers, that is anthophobia. Here anthro means people, so anthrophobia means fear of people. And the fear of floods is antlophobia. And fear of staying single, as you can see how exactly anuptophobia, that means fear of being single, that is called anuptophobia. So he don't want to stay alone. Here it is again fear of bees, that is apiphobia. So api means bees. So here you have to remember that api means bees. Fear of bees is known as apiphobia. Next we have the fear of spiders. So the spiders, arachnophobia is known as, that is fear of spiders. Fear with the numbers, that is arithmophobia, that is arithmetic, that means numbers. So fear of numbers is arithmophobia. Again fear of lighting is, we have astrophobia, that is fear of lighting. Next we have fear of the stars and celestial space, that is astrophobia. Astro means stars and celestial bodies. So that fear is known as astrophobia. Fear of imperfection, that is atelophobia, that is fear of imperfection. Solitude means being solitary, and fear of solitude, that is autophobia. Fear of flying, that is known as aviophobia, and fear of gravity is known as barophobia. Fear of depth is known as bathophobia. These are the few words which are to be remembered. I request you guys to check playlist where you will find near about 800 plus question papers for various examinations. As you can see how exactly it is segregated for various examinations, you can directly go through this. So let us see what we have in next slide. Belonophobia. It means having fear of pins as well as needles. And the fear of books, that is bibliophobia. Biblio means books. So fear of reading the books or whatever the books, that is bibliophobia. Fear of thunder, we knew that thunder or lightning, that is brontophobia, which has got the fear of thunder. Fear of ugliness, being ugliness, that is also a fear, that is cacophobia. And we have the cancer, fear of having cancer, that is carcinophobia. As you can see how exactly the prior to the cancer itself, he has got a fear and he will get maximum, he will get problematic. So next we have fear of meat is known as carnophobia, as well as fear of hands is known as chirophobia, and fear of dancing also, that is chronophobia. That is, I told you, choreographer, that is concerning to dance. So chronophobia is concerning to dancing fear. And the fear of wealth is chromatophobia. And the fear of money is known as chromatophobia, that is CHRE, chromatophobia, that is fear of having money. Next we have fear of time, that is chronophobia, that is fear of having time. That is fear of dogs or rabies, that is cynophobia. And fear of trees is known as dendrophobia. Next we have the fear of skin is known as dermatophobia. Dermato means skin concerning. Fear of fur means, as you can see how exactly the fur is that whatever the hair has got, that is known as fur. For that will be for the animals. As you can see, that fear of that fur is known as doraphobia. So please remember doraphobia. What are the pictures have been given? They are a very important nature. Please you remember everything, but they are important. Fear of foam, that is echinophobia. Fear of freedom, that is eleutherophobia. And fear of insects, that is entomophobia. We knew that entomology is study of insects. Next we have fear of knowledge, epistemophobia, that is known as fear of knowledge. As we can see that fear of work, ergophobia is known as fear of work. Fear of the marriages, that is gamophobia. Having fear with the old people, that is gerontophobia. We should remember that geronto means old age. So here fear with the old people, that is gerontophobia. Fear of talking, that is glossophobia. And fear of writing is known as graphophobia. And we have the fear having fear with the woman, that is gynophobia. This happens with the whoever is like having the girlfriend or wife with the different nature, that woman's fear is known as gynophobia. So this is one thing which is different. Next we have fear of the blood, that is hematophobia. Saints of or of holy things, that is hagiophobia, is known as saints or of holy things. Next we have speaking or inability to grow in salt rich soil, that is halophobia. Feeling pleasure is known as hedonophobia. And sun or sunlight, whatever the fear, is known as heliophobia. Helio means sun. Here fear of Greek or Latin terms is known as helenophobia. Fear of reptiles is known as herpetophobia. Fear of beggars is known as hobophobia. Fear of travel is known as hodophobia. Fear of water or aquaphobia is known as hydrophobia. Hydro means water. Fear of liquids, dampness or moisture is known as hygrophobia. We knew that is one thing. Hygro means that is moisture in air. Here herpetophobia means, as you can see, reptiles, lizards, which are the moment you look at the lizard, they start fearing with the reptiles. Here we have next hypnophobia means, that is fear of sleep. Next we have absence of fear. Fear of absence of fear, that is hypophobia. There is no fear at all. That is fear of absence of fear. Next we have fear of fish is known as ichthyophobia. I told you there is the whatever the study concerning to the fish, that is ichthyology. So here ichthyophobia is concerning to the fear of fish. Fear of images is iconophobia. Fear of ideas is, that is ideophobia. Here next we have the hatred of Jews, that is, as you can see, judophobia. And fear of void or empty spaces, that is kenophobia. And the fear of the movement is known as kenosophobia. And we have the fear of thieves, that is kleptophobia. As you can see how exactly that kleptomania is stealing something which are very simple nature. Next we have fear of vegetables, lachnophobia, and fear of color white. Whatever the color, white color, they have the fear with that. That is leukophobia. Fear of leftness and things to the left side of the body is known as levophobia. And fear of the legs, as you can see how exactly, that is limnophobia, having the fear of legs. And fear of the word are verbophobia, that is same. Logophobia as well as verbophobia, both are same, fear of words. And fear of the moon is known as lunaphobia. Fear of the Mondays is known as lunadisophobia. Here fear of insanity is known as maniaphobia, and fear of color black is melanophobia, is known as having the fear of color black. Next we have mythophobia, is fear, having fear with the alcohol, that is mythophobia. And having fear with the contamination is misophobia. Having the fear of mice, that is nemophobia. Having the fear with the ants, that is myrmecophobia. Please remember, myrme means ants, so that fear of ants is myrmecophobia. Fear of myths, stories, false statements is known as mythophobia. Fear of death or dead things, that is necrophobia. As you can see how the corpse have been hanged over here, that is also one type of, for the children and all, they may get fear. So with this type of incidents, that is death or dead things, that is necrophobia. Fear of black people, that is negrophobia. Negro means black people. So here the clouds, fear of clouds is nephophobia, and the fear of nights is noctiphobia. Please remember, whatever the phobias are there, you will be in examinations, you may be asked at least one or two questions. Next we have diseases concerning, having fear of diseases, that is nosophobia. Having fear of returning home, that is nostophobia. And the fear of crowds, that is ochlophobia. Having the fear of odors, that is olfactophobia. We should remember that olfactoreceptors are located in the nose. As we can see, these olfactoreceptors are smelling sensors. So fear of odors is olfactophobia. That is fear of dreams, that is onirophobia. And fear of specific word or name is known as onomatophobia. And fear of snakes is known as ophidiophobia, as well as fear of birds is ornithophobia. Orni means bird, so fear of birds, ornithophobia. Next we have fear of the property, that is arthrophobia, as well as fear of suffering or diseases concerning, that is pantophobia. Fear of everything, whatever you see, you have the fear for everything, that is pantophobia. And fear of pope or the papacy, as you can see how exactly the pope, that is papaphobia, is known as fear of pope. As you can see how he is, he looks like, it is very difficult to see. So next we have fear of paper, that is papyrophobia. The Friday the 13th, that is paraskevidicary phobia, that is Friday the 13th, the fear of Friday the 13th. So please remember the biggest word, whatever has been given, please pronounce and you have it remembered in your mind. So having the fear of Friday the 13th. Next we have fear of the children, that is pedophobia. Fear of the poverty, that is peniophobia. Fear of eating is known as phagophobia. Next we have the fear of ghosts is known as phasmophobia, and fear of kissing is known as philomaphobia. Fear of falling in love is known as philophobia. Please remember all this. Whatever you feel like they are important, you can directly remember and note it down. Phobia words, that is fear of having phobia words, that is phobophobia. And phobia, fear of phobias, that is phobophobia. Please remember this. Fear of phobias is known as phobophobia. Please remember, this is one of the important bit. Phobophobias, that is fear of phobias. Next we have fear of noises or one's own voice or telephones, that is phonophobia. As you can see how exactly she is fed up with the phonophobia. Next we have fear of light is known as photophobia. Photo means light, so that photophobia means fear of light. Fear of thinking, that is phronemophobia, that is fear of thinking. Fear of leaves is known as philophobia. Next we have the having the fear of wealth, that is plutophobia. Having the fear of birds, that is pogonophobia. Fear of alcohol is known as potophobia, and fear of flying is known as pteronophobia. Here, fear of the fire is pyrophobia, as well as fear of the nose is rhinophobia, as well as fear of the shadows is siphophobia. As you can see exactly how the shadow looks like, that fear is known as, the fear of the shadows is known as siphophobia. Seophobia. Next we have the fear of the school is known as seophobia. Here we have, so please remember whatever has been given shadows, you can directly go through internet. So here there may be some small confusion, you can directly go through this. Next we have fear of the moon is known as selenophobia, and fear of the China is cynophobia. Next we have the having fear of the food, that is cytophobia. Having the fear of learning, that is sophophobia. Having the fear of narrow things or places, that is stenophobia. Having the fear of pigs, swinophobia. We know that pigs are also known as swine, so that swinophobia is having the fear of pigs. Next we have the having the fear of the relatives, that is syngenesophobia, that is fear of relatives. Having the fear of speed is known as tachophobia. Next we have the having the fear of bulls, that is taurophobia. As you can see to the right how exactly the taurophobia, the moment if you look the bull, you have the fear in your heart, that is having the fear of bull, that is taurophobia. Fear of technology is known as technophobia. Fear of taking tests is known as testophobia. Fear of the sea is known as thalassophobia. These are the few important things, please remember guys. Next we have fear of death is known as thanatophobia. Fear of the god is known as theophobia. Fear of the surgery is known as stomaphobia. Fear of specific places is known as topophobia. As you can see, fear of poison, toxic, that is toxiphobia. Fear of injury or war, that is traumatophobia. Fear of hair is known as trichophobia, and fear of the number 13, that is triskaideka phobia, as it is given how exactly triskaideka phobia or fear of number 13. Next we have fear of the injection, that is known as trophophobia, and fear of the heaven is known as uranophobia, which is the fear of heaven. Next we have the fear of urine or urinating, that is known as urophobia. Fear of beautiful women, that is known as venistaphobia. Fear of yellow color is known as xanthophobia. Fear of strangers or foreigners is known as xenophobia. Fear of strangers or foreigners, that is xenophobia. Fear of dryness and dry places is known as xerophobia. Next we have fear of wood or wooden objects or of forest, that is xylophobia. Fear of the razors, that is xyrophobia. Fear of jealousy is known as here gelophobia. Fear of the gods, that is geozophobia. We should remember that geozophobia is having the fear of gods. Next we have the having the fear of the animals, that is zoophobia. Zoo means animals, so zoophobia means having the fear of animals, that is zoophobia. Geozophobia means that is having the fear of god. So these are the various phobias I had compiled from various books. I hope this will be helpful for you guys. If you think that, if you have any doubts, you can call me on 7667302252, or you can message me by WhatsApp. You will be given a 2100 PDF of GK and GS questions for the full 2100 PDF. That is a free of cost, that you can directly call or message me by WhatsApp. Thank you guys having the patience. Keep on listening it and keep on going the maximum videos. You will be a lot, you will learn a lot, you will be enjoyed and you will be updated. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.